Hello. Yay, I'm back. So, um, the potion farm video, it might be silent because, I don't know. I tried to post it today and it was completely silent, and it might, like, come out, like, at 7 in the morning because megabits are running terrible. Everything I am trying is just not working. So, if you're wondering why it comes out so early in the morning, that's why. Or if you're wondering why it's silent, that's also why. Nothing good. Just working on the dimensions at the moment. I know it looks like I'm building a treehouse. To be honest, kind of, but not really. This is more important than you could ever imagine. Nope. Just what I was afraid of. Very minimum sources of wood. Okay, now let's see. Goes up 3 on one side, goes up, okay. So if this is going to stay the same, 1, 2, 3. Right? Wait, no. Wait. What? Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. This seems like good height. Okay, That might have been too loud. My headphones are on the back of my head so I can still hear it. But that may have been too loud because I heard that way too well. That might have been a little bit too loud. Now I might get copyrighted. Snow! Out. Hit the pork chops instead. Well, what can you... This is why I hate jungle trees. But the reason for this will make sense eventually. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Two, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. Two, 3. Yay. This is not what I planned, but so far it seems to be working, so... Might I add, this is another thing that I, just planned without, trying. So, like the carpet in the treasure room. I didn't plan that. So... Okay, so 4, then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. It has 6. What should I watch next? La la la. This video. This video. Thank you. Okay, so. Why is everything so loud? This isn't even that loud. Volume. Down to 39. Okay, the volume's down to 39. Okay. You know what? You know what? Just, are you serious? Hello! Ooh. There we go. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna need a bunch of fence. So let's see, how many sticks can I make? A lot. And now blocks. La 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 la. Okay, crab cake. Let's see what this does. That was very loud. Okay, if each fence makes 3 and I was able to make 20 of these, 20 times 3 is 60. You know what? We'll do this for now. I don't think 60 is enough, but we'll do it for now. So, tell me if I'm wrong, but don't I have... No, I don't. I used to have a crafting table upstairs, but then I made the infinite water source behind my house, which I never use, because I always use powdered snow now, so I moved them out back. Which I guess I can remember that if I need to make more fences. Sweet. Okay, and the rest of this is going to be blocks for a little bit. Actually, save some jungle wood. Might need to make this higher later. Well, actually, wait, let me see. No, actually, no I don't. If it works, this will be perfect. Bridge is wide enough? This is perfect if it works. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm very glad my dad is getting me a new phone. Then now, maybe, Minecraft won't be as laggy then. How many pieces do I need? Well, let's go up here and see. Yeah, I rhymed and I keep... How do my boots not have fall damage? Surprising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sweet. Now my boots have fall damage. Nope. Weirdly enough, they don't. I'm surprised. So I need 9. Which comes to a total of... Cool. Okay. Let's use my trusty old torch and go boom, boom, boom. And that symbols that, so this will symbol this. Okay, so nice. So we got 1, hold up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is good enough for me. Wish you could hit the crafting table from here. Maybe there was a glitch where crafting table, craft, boom. Let's watch this one. What the well, frick. What the frick is going on in this place? Yep, boosh. Oh. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Jungle slabs, how many can I make? 6. That's fine by me. That's just as many as I need. Okay. But we're getting into the big stuff now, so let's see. So whenever you make trapdoors, you make 2. I need 16 trapdoors then. Though trapdoors are thinner than slabs, yet they... Minecraft! I need you to explain that for me, please. No. Okay. Ah! Frick. I have it over here. I know I do. Yep. 1 extra slab. So now I can put this stuff back. No, wait a minute. Yep, there we go. Then we got 6, 6, 16, 1. Nice. Nice. I'd love just to be able to rip trident right up in there. So, like any normal person, we're gonna do that. We're gonna place down my powdered snow. We're gonna go get a... We're gonna go get a bucket water from my infinite water source, which I never use. We're gonna throw that right in there. I win today. I did it. That is funny. Okay, so let's see. How many fences are here actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crap. So it won't be even. That is fine. Right. I'm a right retard. I am stupid. I am really stupid. I am really stupid. I am really stupid. Okay. So let's try this again. I didn't put the trees far enough apart. Wait up. Nice. Okay. We got it. Okay. So we're gonna do that. I believe it's time. Okay, I tried to scaffold MLG. So it turns out you can't do that in Bedrock. I mean, you probably can, but every time I have attempted it, I die. So it's a possibility that's impossible in Bedrock. Okay, so y'all might be able to see where this is going. And hopefully you can see where this is heading. Oh, jungle! Yep, we're gonna go to the jungle. Which means we gotta go to the village of Harry Pop-Tart. And from the village of Harry Pop-Tart, go to the jungle. Nice! That is good luck for me. Two stacks and 12 gunpowder? That is just great. Panda! Panda! Panda. Where are all these pandas coming from? I never saw pandas at this. I've never seen that many ever before. Parrot. Parrot! We're looking for you, brother. Do you know where there may be one? Okay, hold on. Sit there and stay. We're gonna do a little experiment. Parrots! There's another white parrot. I think my parrot can make zombie sounds. No! I'm always gonna think there's a zombie on me then. Frick. Well, that sucks. Okay, that was definitely loud enough to be heard. Okay, well, seeing as it looks like it's getting dark again, be good, he's on my shoulder. Let's go! Let's go, let's go! We gotta go! We have got to go! Okay, good, you're still on my shoulder. You're you're about to not be. Feel I'm suicidal! That house doesn't have a bed. Are you serious? Let me go to bed. Just let me go to bed. Please, just let me go to bed. Well, my parrot can definitely make spider sounds then. You concern me sometimes, parrot. We got another white parrot. Oh, there's too many white parrots. I just need a different parrot. I want every variety of parrot. That's why I put up 5, because there's 5 kinds of parrots. White, green, dark blue, cyan, and red. Ouch. I've never seen a brown parrot before. I don't think I want one of them. Did I say brown panda? I meant brown parrot. I have seen a brown panda before. And I've seen it in this world as well. I just went randomly running through the jungle one day and stumbled upon it. Then I thought, should I make a video? And then I thought, no. I do not see any. See then what we're gonna do? We're gonna get my trusty snow bucket. We're gonna get my Riptide Trident. And we're gonna... Or just do that. There's a black panda. I don't see anything. Parrot, do you see anything? Wait, yes, there's a blue one. There's a blue one. Okay. There's a blue one right there. No! Go, 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 go! Frickin' powdered snow. Should've just stuck with water emoji. I'm so much better at them. Okay, let's go. You're coming with me. We gotta find my other parrot. If he's not also on my shoulder. He is not. Okay, let's go. Yes, pretty bird. Okay, where's the big tree I was on top of? I should be able to find it. I mean... I think I've lost my white parrot. No. Wait, are you him? You are him. Sweet. Okay. Well, my white parrot found me, so... This means we can go home. And we have 2 parrots to put into the treehouse. The reason I used jungle tree and jungle wood was it was more natural for them. And I just wanted the parrots to feel at home. Kinda like how I used hay in the stable for the horse. And yes, I have cats and I have dogs. I maybe will make something for them. They don't even have names yet. Though neither does my horse, donkey, llama, or mule, but I mean, we can look past that, right? Yeah. Come on, guys, we're going home. Neither of you are ever getting on my shoulder. I can't allow it. And just to make sure none of you are. How? Oh, my leather. No wonder. I would have made that if that wasn't for my leather. I'm stupid. It's all cause of my leather. Whoa! Teleporting birds. Okay. Hold on, we're just going to put on my pants. I see you guys are on me again. I do not appreciate that. What's keeping me on the ground? Great, my game is broken. How do I get parrots off my shoulder? Lovely, my trident is broken. I threw my trident up, I hit my head, I fell in, and then I couldn't throw my trident while I was in there. Now does this work? Yes, it does. Oh no! Sweet, okay. Who's up here? You can go down to the ground and you can sit. Where's the blue one? Is he flying up here? Where is he? Oh, you're here. Okay. You can also sit. But you, white one, you can... Look, I don't want to kill you, but, I don't feel safe holding my sword in front of you. So... I'm gonna name these parrots, because I want certain names for them. All the times I've named parrots in the past, I've always had great names for them. And you are sitting, right? Yes, okay, good. So you'll stay in there. Okay, so I now need names. Just to make sure all water now works. Well, while we're here, should we get more? No, we're not getting more parrots. I need to end the episode. But I need to give my parrots names first. You know what? No. We're ending the episode here. Between episodes, I will get more parrots. So between this episode, I will get one more parrot. And I will name my parrots back home. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. I hate parrots.